I just check my bank account and I'm good. I'm flexing, yeah, cause my singles going off in my hood. I'm flexing, yeah, everywhere I go, you know it's all love. I'm flexing.
Yo, what's good, Crazy Nation? It's your boy Espy up the Crazy. You know what it is? I'm back again with another reaction. This is to XG performing Undefeated in the Tokyo Dome. Let's get it. Let's go. Damn.
Undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed.
Damn. That roar by the crowd.
Undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm waking up another season. I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that. Undefeated, locked and loaded, we about to blow. Caught him with the left right, leaving top got all on flow. Been up on my stats. Now would you look at that. Undefeated, locked and loaded, we about to blow. Caught him with the left right, leaving top got all on flow. Sunny, itchy, sticky, swishy, watch me bank and skull. Up in the boat, I'm in the zone, yeah.
Go to the fire to breath. King of the jungle, beat in the chest. This one goes in the clip. Just like a brother and kind of net.
Bring on my finger up against. I click the
Bruh,
boat,
Maya.
I'm in the zone, yeah.
Go to the fire to breath.
God.
King of the jungle, beat in the chest. This one goes in the clip. Just like a brother and kind of net.
Bring on my finger up against. I click chest and I don't even sweat. That's what I call it finesse. That's what I call it finesse. Ain't no rivals, ain't no rivals.
Let's go,
They can
Chisa.
try, but they're never ever slowing me down. On arrival, this is my show. Crossing my heart, they know we are undefeated.
Oh my god.
Just like a brother.
That combo of like the very like tough, not tough, strong, powerful voice mixed with Julia's like sweet and gentle voice is such a good combo.
Kind of net.
Bring on my finger up against. I clean chest and I don't even sweat. That's what I call it finesse. That's what I call it finesse. Ain't no rivals, ain't no rivals. They can try, but they're never ever slowing me down. On arrival, this is my show. Crossing my heart, they know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed.
I haven't listened to this song in
Up
a
another
minute.
season.
I haven't listened to this song in a minute, so I love hearing this song.
I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that. I pop on with the jump, but then the adios. Gotta go. I'm the prima donna.
Nice, Coco.
Not enough. I'm just warming up. We up in the would you look at that.
That's another.
I pop on with the jump, but then the adios. Gotta go. I'm the prima donna, making booty moves. Not enough. I'm just warming up. We up in the club. Oh, I'm ready to hunt. Time to heat it up. Oh, two-step, look who's scaring at you.
Oh, I forgot about Harvey's bars in this song.
We up in the club. Oh, I'm ready to hunt. Time to heat it up. Oh, two-step, look who's scaring at you on the run. You gon' hear my soundtrack go dun 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 dun. I be starting riots when I pull the stun. I got a ship, I'm on the road, checking my steps. Ain't no rivals, ain't no rivals.
Hey,
They can
let's go,
try, but
Maya.
they're never ever slowing me down. On arrival, this is my show. Crossing my heart, they know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm breaking up another season.
I really love seeing them perform this song. How do you feel about it, Majo? This was cool. It's cool to see them perform this song because I actually really like this song. It hits as if I heard it for the first time again. Man, I forgot how good Harvey's verse is in this song. I remember when I heard her start doing the counting, I was like, oh yeah, that's right. Harvey has like one of the best verses in this song. This is good. This is really good. Shout out to XG. They killed this again.
Ain't no rivals, ain't no rivals. They can
This is
try, but
incredible. This Maya thing.
I body starting wires when I pull the stuff.
The fact that Maya can kind of match the power that Chisa has is scary.
I got them shook, I'm on the road, check my steps.
Ain't no rivals, ain't no rivals. They can try, but they're never ever slowing me down. On arrival, this is my show. Crowds in my heart, they know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm breaking up another season. I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that. Hey, even though it's been a long way.
Judy,
Yeah, you know it's HG. Do it all again. We the ones that can't be. Just remember the time, remember the climb. Not a glitter and shine. We on top of the world. Need I remind you? They know we are undefeated. Not a glitter and shine. We on top of the world. Need I remind you? They know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm ranking up another season. I've been up on my stats. Now would you
Nice,
look
Julia.
at that.
damn. Bro, this is a good song if people wanted to ask, like, to show off like XG's vocals in like a variety way. This is a great song for it. Cause the way that they connect Chisa, Hinata, and Julia in this song is very interesting and deep and different. And I like it. By the way, I see you, Julian. Jesus Christ, look at that look. Looks could kill. Far out. Julian's stage presence is next level. I love the this thing. I forgot these are called. The background shit. I love the design for it. I reckon I was mad. I like how it kind of continues that Coachella thing. You know how it has this type of stuff, the border, the outlines and stuff like that, which that's pretty cool. That was awesome. Whoa, that's such a good shot. Whoa, that's so cool. It looks like it kind of looks like a UFO. I wonder if that was by design. This. Looks hectic. I love it. I'm proud of these girls, man. They're killing it. Let's hear it again. I want to hear it again. I enjoyed this a lot. That bass.
Undefeated.
I like the flames too, like the flames in different colors.
Undisputed. I'm breaking up another season.
The pyro, sorry, the flames, the pyro in different colors.
I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that.
Undefeated, locked and loaded, we about to blow.
I love the way Julian raps.
I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that.
Undefeated, locked and loaded, we about to blow. Caught him with the left right, leaving top out on the floor. Sunny, itchy, sticky, swishy, watch me bank and skull. Up in the boat, I'm in the zone, yeah.
Go to the fire to breath. King of the jungle, beat in the chest. This ain't buzzing the clip. Just a bit and kind of net.
Bring on my finger up against. Like playing chess and I don't even sweat.
That kick by that little kick of bass that Maya has when she raps in this song is crazy.
Yeah.
Go to the fire to breath. King of the jungle, beat in the chest. This ain't buzzing the clip. Just a bit and kind of net.
Bring on my finger up against. Like playing chess and I don't even sweat. That's what I call it finesse. That's what I call it finesse. Ain't no rivals. They can try, but they're never ever slowing me down. On arrival,
think I'm not even. I can't believe I'm about to say this. I think Chisa and Julia is my favorite vocal combination of all, like all music. Like I'm not even joking. Their combination is so nice. They suit each other so well.
Got you to fly the breath. King of the jungle, being the chest. Listening, pausing the clip. Just to the building and kind of net.
Bring on my finger again.
Like they're so opposites, but suit each other perfectly.
Like playing chess and I don't even sweat. That's what I call it finesse. That's what I call it finesse. Ain't no rivals, ain't no rivals. They can try, but they're never ever slowing me down. On arrival, this is my show. Crossing my heart, they know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm picking up another season. I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that. I pop on with the jumper, then the adios. Gotta go. I'm the prima donna that can do the most.
I prefer this verse over the last one. Just watch people not realizing you're talking about them as a combo, not vocals on their own. Yeah, I am talking about them as a combo. But I feel like even vocals as their own, to be honest. I feel like their vocals have such a big part of why their music stands out. Like, their vocals are so powerful. You gotta remember, this is how I see it. When you have rappers like this, and your vocals are a big part of why they stand out, says something. Do you get what I mean by that? Like, when I first heard Howling, I wasn't expecting Chisa and Julia to be a big part of why that song sounds so good. But then when I listened to it again, it's one of the biggest reasons why I like that song. Because they're the ones that are doing the howl part. Like that, their parts stand out. Like so much. Like I can think of so many of their songs where their parts really stand out. Left Right's a great example. Where Chisa and Julia are going off each other when they're singing left, right. And even that the part at the end, and Julia's just she's going like high. The moving left in, like she's harmonizing and stuff like that. And I'm just like, wow, man. Like, they have so much power in their group. And I feel like the reason Chisa and Julia stand out is they're the opposite of it. Chisa has power, but she can be gentle. And where it shows is when you have songs like If You Know, You Know, New Dance, and those songs. You hear how special Julia and Chisa's vocals are. You know what I mean? You hear like what they can do is unique. It's probably one of the best 1-2 punches vocally that I've ever heard. Like, it's just such a strong 1-2 punch. And it's kind of ironic because when I think about the songs that I didn't like, for example, Mascara and Tippy Toes, they don't really show off their vocals in that song. While Left, Right, and Shooting Star is where you see XG at their fullest. Those two songs are heavily built around the vocal, like the vocal trio. You notice that? And Tippy Toes and Mascara aren't really like that. It's not really a surprise that after Shooting Star, Shooting Stars and Left Right, XG got bigger. Because you hear Chisa, Hinata, and Julia at their best. You know what I mean? Like, besides obviously the rap unit and stuff like that, they're their own special thing. You know, they're their own special thing. But that trio, because even adding Hinata now, you hear when they add Hinata how special it sounds. Especially when you look at the new songs that they've released. It's just special, man. They've become one of my favorite groups. And like one of my favorite duos to listen to.
Not enough, I'm just warming up. We have been the cut.
Like, yeah, listen to Hinata's part. Let's be honest, Hinata's part stands out
I pop on with the jump, but then the adios. Gotta go. I'm
in this song.
Not enough, I'm just warming up. We have been the cut. Oh, I'm ready to hunt. Time to heat it up. Oh,
Two-step, look who's getting at you on the
And I
run.
think
not
Hinata's part is what makes Harvey's part stand out.
enough, I'm just warming up. We have been the cut. Oh, I'm ready to hunt. Time to heat it up. Oh,
Two-step, look who's getting at you on the run. You gon' hear my soundtrack go dun 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 dun.
I like the dance move for this, by the way, the choreo.
Two-step, look who's getting at you on the run. You gon' hear my soundtrack go dun 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 dun.
I thought they were already one of your favorite groups. They were always one of my favorite groups, but how often do I say that? I don't really say that all the time in videos. People just assume it. True. I don't really say that XG is one of my favorite groups. I don't remember the last time I've said it. It's been a while since I've said this. And if I've ever said why, I've never really ever explained why XG is one of my favorite groups. Either. If I ever say XG is one of my favorite groups, I've never explained why. I know that for sure. I've rarely ever explained why. I just say it. If you ask me, then of course I'll answer.
Two-step, look who's getting at you on
Harvey
the
sounds
run.
so
You gon'
cold.
hear my soundtrack go dun 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 dun.
I love that dun dun
Riders
dun
when I
dun.
pull the stun. I got him shook. I'm on the road, checking my steps.
ain't no rivals, ain't no rivals. They can try, but they're never ever slowing me down. On the rival, this is my show. Crowds in my heart, they know we are undefeated. That's why they call me undisputed. I'm breaking up another season. I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that?
Here it comes.
Hey, even though it's been a long way, even at the top, I'm right away. Yeah, you know it's HG, and you do it all again. We the ones that can't be. Just remember the time, remember the climb. Not a glitter and shine. Oh, we on top of the world. Need I remind you? They know we are. That's why they call me undisputed.
Isn't that how sick that sounds? Where Chisa does that high, and then you hear, that's why we're undisputed. I love it. That part? That's why they call me undisputed. Oh, oh. Oh,
Breaking up another season. I've been up on my stats. Now would you look at that?
I fucking love this song. I forgot how good this song is. This song shows so much things about XG that I love. It really does. It shows a lot of the flair, the what else is it? Like flair that they have, the colors and stuff like that. It really shows it, and like at times I was just like, wow, like I get lost in it. Charisma, yeah, charisma as well. It just shows, that's the word. It shows a lot of their duality as a group. It shows a lot of their duality, which I really enjoy. But yeah, that's all I really gotta say. So if y'all like this, give this a thumbs up. not only that, comment if you want to see more, subscribe, and remember, keep living a crazy life, and stay blessed. Peace. Laters.